The Imagebon 10.26-inch 4K ADAS wireless CarPlay and Android Auto dashcam is a powerful and intelligent device designed to enhance your driving experience. Equipped with a 4-core 14nm processor and 2T computing power, it boots up in just 5 seconds, ensuring seamless operation. With both wired and wireless CarPlay and Android Auto support, you can effortlessly connect your smartphone for navigation, music, video streaming, and voice assistance. Additionally, the device supports AirPlay and Miracast, allowing you to cast videos from apps like TikTok and Netflix directly to the screen. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, provide real-time voice alerts to enhance road safety. The lane departure warning system helps prevent accidents by notifying drivers when they veer off their lane. The forward collision warning system detects potential front-end collisions, while the front vehicle starting reminder alerts you when the car ahead moves. To use these features optimally, a GPS antenna is recommended for accurate detection. The dashcam offers multiple audio output options, including Bluetooth transmission, a UX output, and an FM transmitter. You can connect via Bluetooth for CarPlay and Android Auto, use an AUX cable for high-fidelity sound, or rely on the built-in speaker for direct playback. The dual-channel FM transmitter seamlessly integrates with your car's original audio system for an immersive sound experience. With GPS tracking and app control, you can monitor your vehicle's location and routes accurately. The Rocam app allows users to view and download recorded videos via Wi-Fi, making it useful for roadside assistance and insurance claims. You can also share journey videos with friends and family. The dashcam features 24-hour parking monitoring, ensuring continuous surveillance by drawing power from the vehicle's battery, buck line required. The loop recording function automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the storage is full, supporting up to a 256 GB TF card. The built-in 3-axis G sensor detects vibrations and locks critical footage to prevent overwriting. Night vision capabilities enhance visibility in low-light conditions, making night driving safer. For added convenience, the device supports real-time reverse view with a 1080p full-screen display and adjustable guidelines. When reversing, the rear camera activates automatically, providing a clear image of the area behind your vehicle. The Imagebon 10.26-inch dashcam combines cutting-edge technology with essential safety features, making it a valuable addition to any car.